Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you all how to get unlimited money, Gold in Avowed for free. This is an insane method that I found, and you will all be able to get a code that you redeem that gives you unlimited gold and money instantly. You can see here I have done it myself. As you can see, I now have unlimited money and it works so well. So let me show you all now how to get this code unlocked so you can all redeem it now. All you guys have to do is go on your mobile device because I'm going to show you a website that gives out free codes that you can get instantly. And I recommend doing it on mobile because it's easier to get the code on mobile than on PC, but you can do either or. So go to this site called vaultcoupons.com. On this site, you can get codes and coupons to get free games, free discounts on clothing, software, and so much more. And it really does work. Anyways, now that we're on the site, use the search bar on the site and type in Avowed Unlimited Gold. This will find the app. Now all we have to do is tap on it. Then it will take us to this page. And now all we have to do, we have to click the Get Full Code button. Then once you click that, you now just have to wait for it to load to 100%. Now once it fully loads, it's going to take us to a page that looks like this. So before the full code will reveal itself, we have to do one last step. All we need to do is complete 2 free offers from this page, and once we do 2, the code will fully reveal, and you just take it and redeem it. But guys, it's very important you do this last step correctly, otherwise it will not work. So I will do it now. Some of the offers are really easy, like for example, this Travel Town 1 wants us to download the game and play until level 6. I highly recommend you guys do Travel Town and Dice Dreams. They're the easiest and super fun. As you can see, this is the Dice Dreams one. So just do these 2. They're the easiest, like I said, and the funnest. I even had so much fun playing the games that I still play them even after finishing. But also, the games or apps you see might be different than the ones I have. That's completely normal because it can be different depending on your location. But I'm going to do the Travel Town and Dice Dreams ones right now, and I'll be back and show you guys proof that I got my code. But if you don't have Dice Dreams or Travel Town and only have one or none, then don't worry, just do whatever ones you see on the list. Okay guys, so once you do 2 tasks, it redirects you back to the site and it shows this pop-up saying 2 offers successfully completed and reveals the full code to you. So as you can see, it works, and that is great. So guys, it does work and you will be able to do this as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.